In the United States, the federal and the state governments are working together to improve rail passenger service across the country. In Ontario, the provincial government wants to spend billions of our tax dollars on a new high-speed rail line of its own between Toronto and Windsor. It wouldn't be ready for more than a decade. It would compete with Via, and it would bypass many of the towns and cities that now have Via service. Why is that?
Ask your member of provincial parliament. A message from SaveVia.